फ्रेंड, क्या आप भी अपने लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर में होने वाले नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम से परेशान हैं? क्या आपको भी बार बार नो नेटवर्क कनेक्शन अवेलेबल का मैसेज आ जाता है? हाँ फ्रेंड, तो आपने बिल्कुल सही वीडियो चॉइस किया है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको उसके बहुत सारे सॉल्यूशंस देने वाली हूँ, तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें। यह वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होने वाली है। वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपको कभी नेटवर्क का इशू का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर में। तो चलिए फ्रेंड, जानते हैं कि इसके क्या क्या सॉल्यूशंस है। No connected, no connection, available message. How can I fix it? First step, reinstall your network drivers. According to the user, a common cause for not connected, no connection available message can be your network drivers. Sometimes your drivers might be corrupted and that can lead to this issue. However, you can fix the problem simply by reinstalling those driver. To that to do that, you just need to follow this step. First step, press window key plus X to open. Then when device manager opens, locate your network driver, right click it and choose uninstall device. A confirmation dialog should now appear. Check remove driver software for this device if available and click install. Then after the driver is installed, click scan for hardware changes icon and the new driver should be automatically installed. Several users reported that they had to restart their PCs in order to apply changes. So be sure to do that as well. If reinstalling the driver doesn't help, proceed to next solution. Update your drivers. If you are getting not connected, no connection available message on your PC, the problem might be certain drivers. Your drivers can be outdated and that can cause this problem to appear. To fix this issue, it advised that you update all the drivers. To do this, simply visit your network's adapter manufacturer website and download the latest driver for your model. After doing that, install the drivers and problem should be resolved. If you can't access the network at all on your PC, try downloading the drivers on another device such as your phone or another PC and then try to transfer them. If this process seems bit complicated, you can also use a third party solution to update all your drivers automatically. After the driver are up to date, check if the problem is still here. Moreover, it will keep your system safe from permanent damage by downloading and installing the wrong driver manually. Then third day, change power management setting. Sometimes not connected, no connection available message can appear due to your power management setting. To fix this issue, it's necessary that you prevent your network adapter from turning off. Windows will sometimes turn off certain device in order to save power, but you can disable that by following these steps. Open your device manager, locate your network adapter and double click it to open its properties. Second, navigate to the power management tab. The uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now click OK to save changes. After doing that, check if the problem is resolved. If the problem is still there, you might have to change some additional power related setting. To do that, follow these steps. First, press Windows key plus S and enter power setting. Select power and sleep setting from the list. Second, setting app will now appear. Locate related setting in the right pane and click on additional power setting. Third, locate your selected power plan and click change plan setting next to it. Fourth, now click on change advanced power setting. Fifth, locate wireless adapter setting, power saving mode and set both on battery and plugged in value to maximum performance. Click apply and OK to save changes. After making these changes, check if the problem is resolved. Fourth, turn off your firewall. According to the user, sometimes your firewall can interfere with your system and that can lead to not connected, no connection available message. However, you can fix the problem simply by disabling your firewall. If you have a third party antivirus on your firewall, perhaps you should disable it first and check it that solve your problem. If the issue is still there, you might have to disable the Windows firewall as well. This is quite straightforward and you can do it by following this step. In the search bar, enter firewall. Now select Windows Defender Firewall from the list. When Windows Defender Firewall window opens, choose Turn Windows Defender Firewall or off on or off from the menu on the left. Third, you can select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public networks. Now click the OK button to save changes. After doing that, check if the problem is still there. If the problem is resolved after disabling Windows Firewall, you just need to check your setting and adjust them accordingly. If your antivirus was interfacing with your network connection, perhaps this is a good time to consider switching to a different antivirus. Fifth, roll back to the older driver. If you are getting not connected, no connection available message, perhaps the problem is related to your drivers. Windows 10 will sometimes automatically update your drivers without your knowledge, and that can cause this may other problem to appear. To fix the problem, users are suggesting to roll back to the older version of the driver. To do that, just follow this step. First, open the device manager and double click on your network adapter to open its properties. When the property windows open, go to the driver tab and click on rollback driver button. Follow the instruction on the screen to complete the rollback process. Once the process is finished, check if the problem is still there. If the rollback option isn't available, you will have to reinstall your driver and check if that solves the problem. Bear in mind that Windows will try to update your driver automatically, so we advise to prevent Windows from automatically updating your devices. Remove the problematic applications. According to the user, sometimes certain application can interfere with your network connection and cause not connected, no connection available message. Several users reported that the zone alarm firewall caused this problem, and in order to fix the issue, you will have to remove it from your PC. There are several ways to remove an application, but the most effective one is to use a uninstaller software such as IOBIT installer. By using uninstaller software, you will also remove all file and registry entries associated with zone alarm and prevent any leftover files from causing issues the futures. Once the problematic application is removed, check if the error message is still there. Keep in mind that other application can also cause this problem to appear. So you will need to remove all applications can potentially interfere with your network connection. After doing that, the issue should be completely resolved. Then the last is restart or reset your router. सो फ्रेंड, ये थे कुछ सॉल्यूशंस. आई होप इससे आपके नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएंगी, तो इसे ट्राई ज़रूर करें और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.